Hello, welcome to English for Construction. Let's get started with the new day, number 29, prefabricated house. Okay, so here we go. Prefabricated, built from parts that have been made in a factory and can be put together quickly. A prefabricated building is installed. Weatherproof, not allowing wind or rain to go through. This house can be a weatherproof shelter. Balustrade, a railing or wall to prevent people from falling over the edge of stairs and a balcony, etc. The balustrade fixing plates are fixed. Suspended ceiling, a drop ceiling is often a secondary ceiling hung below the main ceiling. The suspended ceilings are fixed. Decorate, to add something to an object or place, especially to make it more attractive. The building is decorated. Prefabricated, weatherproof. Balustrade, suspended ceiling. Decorate, a prefabricated building is installed. This house can be a weatherproof shelter. The balustrade fixing plates are fixed. The suspended ceilings are fixed. The building is decorated. Okay, cool. English speaking is easy. I'm a great English speaker. Remember that in mind. And don't forget to click subscribe button below to learn more. And thank you, and I will see you next time. Enjoy. Bye bye.